Science News. Today we are joined by the scientists Trevor Brenner and Hannah Loving. Today our segment is on wind energy. Hannah, can you please explain what wind energy is?
Of course. Wind energy is a renewable energy source that can be harnessed by wind turbines. Trevor, would you like to explain what wind turbines are?
Sure. So first, wind turns the blades, which then turns a slow drive shaft, which turns these gears and makes a generator spin fast, which makes the energy.
Can you tell us why we use wind energy?
Well, one of the reasons we use wind energy is because fossil fuel is so expensive. In January of 2014, electricity and natural gas prices skyrocketed to 10 to 50 times more than normal during a cold snap in the eastern U.S. Wind energy during that week provided consumers savings in the millions, if not tens of millions. The reason we use wind energy is because fossil fuel offers a short-term reliability, since it is a non-renewable resource. Wind energy is very reliable. It produces 48 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually. The third reason we use wind energy is because the burning of fossil fuels causes a high amount of emissions. The burning of fossil fuels was responsible for 79% of U.S. greenhouse gas emissions in 2010. Wind energy reduces these emissions. In 2009, wind energy in the U.S. reduced emissions by over 44 million tons, equivalent to taking 7 million cars off the roads.
Can you tell us some advantages and disadvantages of wind energy?
Yep. There are many pros and cons to wind energy, and some of the pros are that it is non-pollutant and it's relatively inexpensive. And some of the cons are it can kill flying animals such as bats and birds. And for wind farms, you need a large area of land and steady winds.
Thanks. So in your guys' opinion, does wind energy work well?
I would say yes, and there are several facts to prove it. For example, in Denmark, wind power now produces approximately 20% of the country's electrical consumption.
Also, wind power produces as much as 45% of Spain's electricity. Lastly, between 2008 and 2012, wind power has provided 36.5% of all new generating capacity in the U.S.
Can you explain to us how a generator works?
Sure. First, the generator converts mechanical power to magnetic induction, which occurs when magnetic material passes through a magnetic field producing voltage.